Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to reveal the winning product that I was making sales with my brand new Shopify store when I started my Shopify dropshipping journey. And for those of you who haven't watched my previous video, I was saying that I got a copyright claim for using the pictures of the product that I was promoting on my Shopify store. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go follow the link below this video in the description and watch that video as well. And for those of you who watched that video, you should remember that I promised you to reveal the product that I was making sales with, the one that I got the copyright claim for as well. So this is the video where I'm going to reveal this product, and I'm going to reveal not only the product itself, but the entire campaign, all the data, the dashboard of my Shopify store for those sales of that product, the Facebook ads campaign, the targeting options, and everything. So all this information will be extremely useful, especially for those of you who are just starting out, who are not really familiar with Facebook ads and don't have a clear idea how to find a winning product to promote. You will also be able to even copy my Facebook ads campaign and use it yourself to promote this product, which I'm going to reveal in a second. But yeah, bear in mind that you might get copyright claim if you will be using the pictures of this product that AliExpress vendors provide you with. And for those of you who are new here, my name is Alex Bato and welcome to my channel eCom is Awesome, where I'm documenting my Shopify dropshipping journey from scratch, from ground zero, from nothing. And as you already understood, I started making sales from pretty much the second product. The first one failed, but the second one was a winning product that I was profiting with. So before we jump to my laptop, I want to reveal the product right away so that the rest of the information that I will be revealing, the stats of the dashboard of my Shopify store, the Facebook ads campaign, and the rest of the information would make sense to you. So the product that I was getting successful sales, yet I got a copyright claim for the pictures that I used of that product that I took from AliExpress, is eyebrow trimmer. I'm not going to show you exactly which one, because I already got a copyright claim for using the pictures of that product, and I don't want to show those same pictures in this video. But if you go to AliExpress and search for eyebrow trimmer, I'm sure you will get a clear understanding which one is it I'm talking about, because there is probably just one single one that is booming right now. It started selling not that long time ago, even though there are some vendors that have sold already thousands and thousands of pieces. So keep that in mind, but I'm sure you will understand which one is it. Now that we cleared what product it is and we satisfied your curiosity, we can continue to the boring stuff, the numbers, the revenue, the conversion rates, the Facebook ads campaign, and all that. So if you're curious to know all the details of this whole case study, then bear with me and let's jump to the dashboard of my Shopify store. So as you can see with this product, I made in total $314.81 in revenue. It took me 15 orders in total, so I had 15 sales with this product to make this much money. The conversion rate is 1.65, but in reality it was way higher with my winning campaign, because this conversion rate is that low mainly because I was running a worldwide targeting campaign, PPE campaign, and video views campaigns as well when I was testing at the very beginning, and it was bringing a lot of kind of rubbish traffic that was just arriving to my store to ruin the conversion rate, because they were just checking out the product and leaving the store without buying. And the average order value is $20.99. The original price I started selling, and the majority of sales that I got were made for $19.99. It was the price of the product. And then I decided to increase the price to $24.99, and I started getting even more sales. Honestly speaking, the conversion increased after that. If you ask me why, I believe that $24.99 seemed like a little bit more reasonable price for the product that I was selling, eyebrow trimmer, because it was an electric tool and maybe 19.99 seemed like a little bit suspicious, a little bit kind of fishy or something, even though I have seen the stores were selling that same item for $14.99. I have no idea how they were profitable. I have no idea. And when I increased to $24.99, I started noticing the positive changes in my conversions. So if you will be selling this product, then I recommend you to go for $24.99 right away. People are buying for this price this product. So I believe we covered the most important information for this product on the dashboard of my Shopify store. But one little detail that I want to pay attention to is that orders. I have one unfulfilled order. It's a fresh order that I got for a brand new product that I started testing after this one. So I'm not going to go into the details about this product. I will leave it for my next video. I hope that I will keep getting orders for the new product, so I will have more information to share with you. But for now, let's jump to the Facebook Ads Manager. So this is just one single campaign with various ad sets that I was testing for that eyebrow trimmer, and I was testing more than one campaign with even more ad sets. As you can see, it takes quite a lot of time, quite a lot of tests to find that winning campaign. And those, I had only one single, the best kind of campaign that was bringing me really positive ROAS, really positive results, and I was profiting with this campaign pretty well. So with this campaign, I made 10 purchases and cost per purchase on average was $10. It was lowering down a little bit. My last sales were taking a little bit less than $10, and at the same time I was getting even more money because I increased the price of the product. So I spent about $100 and I got back about $210. So ROAS was 2.08, which is kind of decent, but it was growing because I increased the price and cost per purchase was kind of lowered a little bit. So what else? The rest of the data that we have here, CTR all I had more than 4%. CTR link click I was having 2.3. CPC on average was 52 cents and CPM on average was close to $12. But if you watched my previous video, maybe not previous, the two videos before, I was complaining about CPM, that it was acting crazy on some days and it was going all the way up to $58. It was the maximum CPM that I was getting. And yeah, so in reality, the average was, without those crazy spikes, I had like $10 on average, and it was good. As you can see, some LLA audience, US only right here, I had less than $7, but at the same time, some of the campaigns were getting like 18 on average. So yeah, now let's have a look the setup, my ad set, the winning ad set that brought me the majority of sales. So as you can see, I went for conversion purchase right away, and I chose US only. I tried big four countries, England, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. With the same targeting options, it didn't bring me the results. Maybe I needed more time to test that, or maybe I had to split by country, but then audience would be too small. So yeah, US gave me the best results. I chose people who live in this location. I chose these ages, but honestly speaking, all the sales were more than 40 plus people, women 40 plus brought me all the sales. I didn't have any sale to a person less than 40 years old. I'm not sure why, but younger women don't tend to buy this product, eyebrow trimmer. Maybe they prefer to go to beauty salon to do their eyebrows. The targeting. These targeting options gave me the best results, the majority of sales. I tried different ones, but these gave me the best results. It was beauty, plucking and threading. I chose beauty as the general interest, but as you can see, the size of the audience is 1.2 billion people. So it's just a little bit too much. And I chose plucking and threading. These terms are directly related to eyebrows only, like exactly about eyebrows, eyebrow hair removal. So this is kind of probably the best targeting possible. I also tried hair removal, only hair removal, and I made a sale as well with hair removal. So if you will be running this product, you might try hair removal as well, or beauty and hair removal, or just hair removal. Just try it out yourself and see what kind of results you will be getting. So I removed the expand detailed targeting criteria. As to the placements, I picked Facebook news feed, Instagram feed, Messenger inbox, and in article. It's like Facebook instant articles. The majority of sales brought me Facebook news feed. I also picked only mobile because desktop usually takes more money and brings less results. And to be fair, Facebook was not spending much money on Instagram feed or like the rest of the targeting apart from Facebook news feed. In one of the campaigns, I tried exactly the same targeting but all placements, and it didn't bring me great results. I'm not sure why. When I chose all placements, the half of the budget was going to Facebook Marketplace. Maybe it's just such a product that was not selling well in other placements. I'm not sure, because some other people in e-commerce or dropshipping, they are saying good feedback about Facebook Marketplace because it's a place where people actually going to spend money. You should also try if you will be running this product and see yourself. I'm not going to show you the exact ad that I was using, but it was nothing special. It was a video of that product. I actually took some of the videos from AliExpress, from Alibaba. I found some kind of related videos in kind of royalty-free videos or Creative Commons or something like that. I compiled that stuff and I used that video. I added the text as well, but I'm not going to show you the creative, so you can come up with it yourself. But it's also worth testing creatives. So I tested various videos, I tested various creatives, and I found one that was bringing me great engagement, great conversions, and sales. Now guys, I believe I covered the most important and the most interesting information. If I missed something, or if you have any questions at all, drop your questions in the comments below. Drop me a comment and share your thoughts, what you're thinking about the product, about the targeting, about the data. Maybe I should have used something else. Maybe I had to try something different. If you like this kind of information, this kind of videos where I'm showing all the details, hit the like button below this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel, because as you can see, my journey is developing slowly but surely, but it's getting more and more information and experience that I'm sharing with you guys. So consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification button, because if you don't do that, you will not get any notifications from my channel. It doesn't depend on me, it's totally on YouTube, but this is how YouTube works these days. If you want to start your own Shopify dropshipping journey or build an e-commerce business, you can get a 14 days free trial for Shopify store by following the link below this video in the description. Now, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.